want?
Yoruba nation.
When do you want it? Now. Biafra, what do we want?
Biafra Republic.
What do we want?
Biafra Republic.
When do we want it? Now. Ndewonu. Yeah, Biafra nation. Oh yes, the killing must stop. The kidnapping must stop. Yes, we are all equal. You cannot say because you are in government you have absolutely right to kill people. That must end. And British government must not wine and dine with terrorists. They are whining and dining with the terrorists. That must end. Yes, give people the rights they want. Equal rights is not a sin. Self-determination, referendum, that is what we are asking for. We will be asking for this until we get it. Every day, 6 days a week, except Sunday. No retreat.
No surrender.
No retreat.
No surrender.
No retreat.
No surrender.
Oh yes. Well done.
Freedom.
Freedom now.
Freedom.